What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to yet another video. Kind of a little different today. We're actually at a local like Cars and Coffee, and this meet is really cool because it's kind of in like a more like affluent area of like San Diego, and so a lot of people bring out like really nice, like pristine, like really expensive cars, and it's kind of cool to see because, you know, my F10 is in complete like such a lower league than these cars, and it's cool to come out here and kind of see what you can get into, like if you, I don't know, you know, have the money for it. And I don't know, I figured while I'm here I'd throw this video together and kind of show you guys like what's out here and kind of like motivation, at least for me. You know, I think there's a lot to be said about like built not bought, but like, I mean, this is the pinnacle of like these cars. Like these brands like having designed like the best of their time, and it's cool to see like what you can get if like you're able to get it. And I'm all for like building cars and like, you know, spending money on making them like the way I like them, but like I said, there's just a lot to be said about like cars that were designed from manufacturers like as best as they possibly can be. So I figured I'd get a couple cool clips and, you know, have like a kind of rad like cinematic like style video that I'd show you guys just for fun. I'm not out here, I don't really take the F10 out too much, and so to come out to one of these meets I thought it'd be cool to kind of throw this together. So we're gonna get back to the clips. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.